Hey gang, Wisconsin Lockman here. Myself and Mike Schoonover are hitting the construction zone on Badger Street behind my lock shop. And I got a hit, and it appears to be a bullet. It was only down about 3 inches, so I'm not sure, but I'll have to figure it out what it really is and get it cleaned up and post a picture of it later on. So we're going to be here a while. If we come up with anything, we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Hey gang, Wisconsin Lockman here again. We left the construction zone, and myself and Mike Schoonover came down to the Big Eddy Springs. I got a broke up signal, but I dug it anyway. Showed him. .38 special. That's junk, but it was down 5.5 inches. So we'll be here for a while. If we get any more, we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.